It is Black History Month, so yeah, y'all know I gotta represent. This is my hair, you guys. It's not perfect. I just put it on my head to kind of give y'all a look at this. That was my phone, sorry. At these two ponytails. They are Afro twin ponytails by Superline collection. One ponytail seems to be bigger than the other for whatever reason. I don't quite understand why. This one seems smaller for some reason. I'll figure it out later, I don't know. But I did go through and like do my hand like this to kind of give it a more natural look instead of it being so uniformed. You get what I'm saying? This hair is very soft. It feels like human hair. This is a color 2. I feel like these puffballs could have been on the bigger side, just like a medium size. I feel like they could have been bigger. I will be doing some different styles with this. I might even put them down to the back or to the you know, the middle of my head, the center of my head in the back. Kind of see how that looks, and yeah. But yeah, I was just stopping through to show y'all my hair. I just, you know, I like to have drawstring ponytails every now and then to pop into my head when I want to give my hair a rest from wigs and protective styles. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you have not, so you'll know when I upload videos. Yeah? Yeah. And if you're interested in purchasing these twin puffballs, be sure to find the link in the description box for me, please. Okay? Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.